Did you just lose all your boost and see the check engine light pop on while cruising down the interstate? If you scanned your vehicle and saw the code P005F, it means you have a turbocharger or supercharger boost control B supply voltage circuit high. Let's break down exactly what this means and how you can track down the issue without wasting money. Your engine uses a forced induction system to increase power by compressing air into the cylinder. To keep the engine safe and efficient, the engine control module, known as the ECM, uses a boost control solenoid or actuator to regulate that pressure. It physically moves vanes or a wastegate inside the turbocharger. Now, the letter B in the code usually refers to a specific circuit or connector group, so checking your specific manual is helpful. This specific code, P005F, triggers when the ECM detects a voltage signal from that boost control circuit that is higher than the manufacturer's limit. It is essentially an electrical red flag, saying there's too much juice in the signal line, often caused by a short to power or a bad ground. The severity here is moderate to high. You really do not want to ignore this because messing with air-fuel ratios can melt pistons or ruin catalytic converters. The symptoms are going to be frustrating. You will experience low or erratic power level. One minute it might feel okay, and the next it falls on its face. The vehicle will likely enter limp mode, restricting your speed and RPMs to prevent damage. You will also struggle to get up hills, and your fuel economy will suffer significantly. Common causes include a defective boost control solenoid, but more often than not, it is an electrical issue. You could have a wire that has rubbed through and is touching a 12-volt power source, or a connector that has water intrusion causing a bridge between pins. Troubleshooting this starts with safety. Turbos get incredibly hot, so let the vehicle cool down completely. Locate the boost control assembly on the turbo. Check the mechanical linkage first. Can you move the lever? It needs to be smooth. If it is binding, the solenoid cannot do its job. Next, look closely at the electrical connector. Unplug it and look for water or corrosion. Water inside the connector is a major cause of high voltage codes because water conducts electricity across the pins. Inspect the wiring harness that runs near the hot exhaust parts. If the heat shielding is gone and the wires are melted together, that is your issue. You need to separate and repair those wires. If the wiring is perfect and the linkage is free, the electronic module itself might have failed internally. If you are not comfortable using a multimeter to back probe wires, this is the time to hand it off to a qualified mechanic. Catching this early can save you thousands on a new turbo or engine replacement. Keep your ride running smooth, and see you in the next video.